Good day everyone, this is Jeffrey Antonico Diaz and you're watching the significance of old school technology. Windows XP is one of the oldest and stable operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. So before we start, let's talk about the historical background of Microsoft Windows XP. On October 25, 2001, Microsoft Windows XP is released with a redesigned look and feel that is centered on usability and a unified help and support services center. It is available in 25 languages. From the mid-1970s until the release of Windows XP, about 1 billion PCs have been shipped worldwide. Microsoft merged its two Windows operating system lines for consumers and businesses, uniting them around the Windows 2000 code base. The XP in Windows XP stands for Experience, symbolizing the innovative experience that Windows can offer to personal computer users. For Microsoft, Windows XP will become one of its best-selling products in the coming years. It is both fast and stable. Navigating start menu, taskbar, and control panel are more intuitive. Awareness of computer viruses and hackers increases, but fears are to a certain extent calmed by the online delivery of security updates. Consumers begin to understand warning about suspicious attachments and viruses. There is more emphasis on help and support. In this activity, I'll show you how to install Microsoft Windows XP Professional Service Pack 2. This portion will give you a chance to create and format the partition you want to use for Microsoft Windows XP system files. To start the installation procedure, simply press Enter key. Similar to installation of Microsoft Windows 2000 Professional Service Pack 4, read the entire license agreement by pressing Page Down key. Press F8 key after reading the license agreement. In this activity, we're going to create two partitions. The capacity of first partition is 20,000 megabytes, which is more or less equal to 20 gigabytes. Let's select Format the partition using the NTFS file system. This file system is specifically designed for Microsoft Windows NT-based operating system. Ignore the message, press any key to boot from CD. This is the graphical portion of Windows Setup, where you can select regional settings and entering the details such as product key, computer name, and administrator password. If you're a newbie, I'd rather suggest to read all the information written in order for you to learn something new about installation, not just for Microsoft Windows XP but also in other installation procedures. Because for me, reading is essential in our profession. Type the volume license product key below and then click Next button. Again, ignore the message, press any key to boot from CD. This is the final portion of setup, where you have the option to create user accounts. This is very important because you can create more than one user account. Microsoft Windows will create a separate user account for each person so you can personalize it. Protect your files, folders, and computer settings and customize your desktop. Let's type icons as our primary user account and then click Next button. Windows XP went on sale way back in 2001 and Microsoft has provided support for the popular operating system ever since. However, that support ended on April 8, 2014 with the software giant stating that time has come for us, along with our hardware and software partners, to invest our resources towards supporting more recent technologies so that we can continue to deliver great new experiences. This means technical assistance for Windows XP will no longer be available, including automatic updates that help protect your PC. Microsoft will also stop providing Microsoft Security Essentials for download on Windows XP. If you continue to use Windows XP after support ends, your computer will still work but it might become more vulnerable to security risks and viruses. In addition, as more software and hardware manufacturers continue to optimize for more recent version of Windows, you can expect to encounter greater number of apps and devices that do not work with Windows XP. Therefore, there has never been a better time to upgrade. Moreover, with latest version of Windows, you will be getting a modern OS, which is much more efficient for today's digital world. Trivia: Microsoft Windows XP is compiled from 45 million lines of code.